Heuchera Lemon Love, a gardener's guide. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the Heuchera Lemon Love, a stunning perennial prized for its vibrant foliage. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about growing and caring for this delightful plant. What is Heuchera Lemon Love? Heuchera Lemon Love, also known as coral bells, is a captivating perennial known for its lime green to chartreuse-colored foliage. A member of the Heuchera genus, it's a herbaceous plant native to North America. Heuchera Lemon Love boasts attractive, rounded leaves that form a clumping mound, adding a burst of color to your garden beds or containers. In midsummer, delicate white or cream-colored flowers appear on slender stalks, adding another layer of interest. How does Heuchera Lemon Love compare to other Heuchera varieties? There are hundreds of Heuchera varieties available, each offering a unique combination of colors, textures, and sizes. Here's a quick comparison of Heuchera Lemon Love to some popular varieties. Heuchera Electra. This variety features stunning lime green foliage with a silvery overlay, making it a showstopper in shady gardens. It's slightly taller than Lemon Love, reaching up to 18 inches in height. Heuchera Plum Royale. Known for its deep burgundy foliage, Plum Royale offers a striking contrast to Lemon Love's bright green hues. It thrives in similar growing conditions and has a similar mature height. Heuchera Melting Metal. This variety boasts a mesmerizing blend of purple, silver, and green, making it a conversation starter. It prefers cooler climates compared to Lemon Love and may require additional winter protection in colder zones. While each variety offers its own charm, Heuchera Lemon Love stands out for its bright, cheerful foliage that tolerates higher heat and humidity than some other Heuchera varieties. Where can I plant Heuchera Lemon Love? Heuchera Lemon Love thrives in partial shade to full shade. While it can tolerate some morning sun, afternoon shade is crucial to prevent the foliage from scorching in hot climates. This shade tolerance makes it a perfect choice for brightening up shady areas of your garden or under tall trees. Heuchera Lemon Love also performs well in containers. Choose a pot with drainage holes and use a well-draining potting mix. Place the container in a location that receives dappled sunlight or morning sun with afternoon shade. Pro tip: Heuchera Lemon Love is deer-resistant, making it a great choice for gardens frequented by these browsing animals. How do I care for Heuchera Lemon Love? Heuchera Lemon Love is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here are some key care tips. Watering. Water regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly before watering again. Soil. Heuchera Lemon Love prefers well-drained soil. Amend your planting bed with compost or other organic matter to improve drainage if needed. Fertilizing. Apply a balanced fertilizer once a year in early spring. You can also use a slow-release fertilizer formulated for perennials. Pruning. Remove spent flower stalks after blooming to encourage bushier growth. In early spring, you can also shear off any winter-damaged leaves to make way for fresh new growth. With proper care, Heuchera Lemon Love will reward you with years of vibrant foliage and delicate blooms. Common problems with Heuchera Lemon Love. While Heuchera Lemon Love is a resilient plant, it can encounter a few common issues. Crown rot. This fungal disease can occur from overwatering. Ensure proper drainage and avoid splashing water on the leaves. Slugs and snails. These pests can munch on the leaves. Use organic methods like hand-picking or beer traps to control them. Powdery mildew. This fungal disease appears as white powdery spots on the leaves. Improve air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent it. If you notice any signs of these problems, address them promptly to keep your Heuchera Lemon Love healthy. Conclusion. Heuchera Lemon Love is a versatile and easy-to-care-for perennial that adds a pop of color to any garden. With its vibrant foliage, shade tolerance, and low-maintenance needs, it's a perfect choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. So, why not add this delightful plant to your garden and enjoy its beauty for years to come?